You're gonna love the 2024 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, bed liner, remote engine start, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, keyless start. Don't take risks in a truck that's not up to the task. Get the Ram 2500 and power up.